Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to use Storyweaver and how to read stories online. So now we are currently on the Storyweaver page. The website is storyweaver.org in. This is a website accessible to anyone. I will also add the link in the chat box and in the description of this video. Once the student touch on the link, they will see a surface like this. Then I will tell you there are different features and how to read stories. The first is the icon, the symbol of the story viewer. Then there are five options. First is read, second is translate, create, resources, and discovery. Now, if you want to read the story, you should touch on read. Then there will be again three options in three columns. These are the categories or theme of the stories. For example, you want to read funny stories, you want to read life skill, you want to read an adventure and mystery, you want to read on science and nature, or any series. Then the languages, there are so many languages that are available. There are 349 languages. There are 27 million readers who read these stories, and there are 57k 57,000 of stories which are available for children. And then in the third column you will see your level. For example, you want to read on adventure and you want to read in English, so I will take my language as English, and then it will load like a firky. Once you will again see, once you select your language, you will see all stories are mixed. Let me tell you the basics. The story has levels. So level 1 is his beginning, level 2 is little upper, then 3 4. Now you will see here all stories are coming together. Now you only want to read, you have select your language, we have select our language as English. Now all stories are coming in English. If you want Hindi, Urdu, anything, you can change the language here. Now once you select your language, you can select your level. For example, I just want to read of level 1, so I will select level 1 and all level 1 stories will come. And if you want more filters, like you want any publisher, any type of story, for example read aloud, read along, and any others, you can select that. So basically you select your language and select your level. Once you select your level, you have to double tap on the story. Once you double tap, this kind of surface will come, and then you will able to see the story. So this is the title of the story, the front page, the author name to share, and there are other options. If you want to read, you should touch on read story. Once you touch on the read story, the story will load, and then this is a story that is open for us. Now if you want to go on next page, there is this arrow called next. Once you go on second page, these are the number of pages, like there are total 13 pages in this story, and we are on the third page. If you want to go back, but there is an arrow, back arrow, next arrow, back arrow, next arrow, like this it works. You want to close this story, you close like this. You want to read another story, you can select any story from here. Now there is one more option that's available, is a read along. Once you touch on read along, there are so many stories which are recorded, and you will able to see there is someone who is reading the story loud for the children. So this is helpful for someone who is little struggling for reading and want to just start reading. So this is a read aloud feature is available. Now we just saw how to select. First you go in read, select your language. Once you select your language, it will load your stories. Then go in level, select your level 1 2. I select 1, then all level 1 story will come. Once the story comes, select your story, touch on the story will be opened in front of you. Then touch on read story, and you will able to read that story. This is the next page, this is a back page. This is a basic feature how you can read the story. In next video part 2, we will learn how to download stories and what are the different other features which are available for Storyweaver. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found helpful, please let us know in the comment box. Thank you so much.